Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss change of voice in simple past tense. This side is for active voice and this side is for passive voice. So as you well know, simple past has four types of sentence. First is affirmative, second is negative, third is interrogative and fourth one is interrogative. So let us start with affirmative sentence. Figure of sentence for active side is subject with second form of the verb and object. All the subject in past, simple past take second form with it. On the passive side it will change into object, helping verb was and were, third form of the verb by and subject. So he, she, it and singular noun will take helping verb was, whereas we, you, they, plural noun will take helping verb with themselves. I will also take helping verb was. So let us have some examples. First example is we started a new system. A new system. System is singular in sense, so helping verb is taken was. A new system was. Third form of the start is started by and we will convert into us. Second sentence is they stopped the bus. They stopped the bus. The bus, singular noun, was stopped by them. Next example is he insulted his parents. He insulted his parents. His parents. So parents is a plural noun. So here we are taking helping verb were. His parents were. Third form of the insult is insulted by him. So this is the way to change affirmative sentence of simple past from active voice to passive voice. So next sentence is negative sentence in simple past. The formation of negative sentence is subject, helping verb did not, first form of the verb and object. It is converted on the passive side as object, helping verb was or were, negative not, third form of the verb by and subject. So let us have some examples. They did not accept my proposal. They did not accept my proposal. My proposal was not accepted by them. They is taken as them on the passive side. Second example is the students did not understand the examples. The students did not understand the examples. Examples is a plural noun. So here we are taking helping verb were. Examples were not. Third form of the understand is understood by the students. Next, third example is I did not bribe. Bribe means rishwat dena. Bribe the officer. I did not bribe the officer. The officer was not bribed by me. So in this way we can change negative form of simple past from active voice to passive voice. It is interrogative sentence in simple past. The figure of interrogative sentence in simple past tense is did, subject, first form of the verb, object and sign of interrogation. It is changed into passive side as was, were. Did is taken as was or verb, object, third form of the verb, by, subject and sign of interrogation in the end. So let us have some examples. Did you file a complaint? Did you file a complaint? So did is changed into was or were. A complaint. A complaint is singular noun. So here I am taking helping verb was. Did will change into was or were. Was a complaint. Third form of the file is filed by you. Sign of interrogation. Second example is did she respect his feelings? Did she respect his feelings? It will change into passive voice as his feelings. His feelings is a plural noun, so did will change into were. Were his feelings respected by her? Sign of interrogation. So this is the way to change interrogative sentence of simple past from active voice to passive voice. So next we are going to discuss interrogative sentence of simple past sentence. So let us see how to change active voice into passive voice. So formation for interrogative sentences: did, subject, not, first form of the verb, object and sign of interrogation. On the passive side, it will taken as helping verb was, were, object, not, first form will change into third form, by and subject, at last the sign of interrogation. So let us have some examples. Did she not admit her fault? Did she not admit her fault? Her fault is a singular noun, so here I am writing helping verb. Was her fault. Third form of admit is admitted by, and she will change into her. Sign of interrogation. uh, Sorry, we will take it as was her fault not admitted by her. Second example is, did the magician not present a show? Did the magician not present a show? A show is a singular noun, so here I am taking helping verb was. Was a show not. Third form of the present is presented by the magician. Sign of interrogation at last. So this is the way to change active voice from active voice into passive voice in simple past tense. So students, this is a practice exercise to solve. First sentence is, did Renu draw a circle? Second one is, the banker collected money. Third is, mother made a fruit cake yesterday. Fourth, they did not obey the protocol. Fifth, children did not like this dish. Sixth, the teacher selected a monitor. Seventh, did he not send the report yesterday? They started a new business. Ninth, did you not wash your hands? 10th, the last is, I didn't use this towel. So students, try to solve all these sentences from active voice to passive voice. Till then, thank you very much.